A quick warning, following Rule 2 will forever change the way you think about money. It's going to rewire your brain. Not only will you have less stress, but you're going to think about your money in a whole new way. With Rule 2, you're going to consistently set money aside that you may not spend for months or even years. The dollars you assign to later jobs are going to sit around and get older. This will set you on the path to breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle. You'll protect yourself from the financial chaos that comes from living so close to the edge, giving you time and clarity to work on your most important goals. Saving for true expenses means you're going to have a lot more money sitting in the bank. And that's certainly a good thing, but it might make you a little nervous. You might be afraid you're going to go on a wild spending binge after a hard day. But the truth is you won't, because Rule 2 is going to change your thinking about your money. Those dollars are assigned purposefully to jobs. You're going to look at your budget to make spending decisions, not your account balances. In the YNAB community, a lot of folks joke about this feeling of being YNAB broke. You might have $10,000 sitting in your checking account, but you're still going to quibble about what can of beans to buy at the grocery store. It feels a little crazy, actually. We hear stories like this all the time. It's a funny feeling because our tendency is to go spend like crazy when we have a lot of money in the bank. So why don't budgeters spend the huge amounts of money they have sitting around in their accounts? Because those dollars are assigned purposefully to jobs. If they spend the money they have set aside for the annual car registration, they won't be ready to pay that bill. Rule 2 changes the way you think. It's one of the most transformational parts of the YNAB method. Following Rule 2 means you get to enjoy the security of having a lot of old money lying around and not have to worry about accidentally spending it.